Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. My name is Kaela, and if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more videos to come and give this video a thumbs up, because in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite bedroom, closet, and bathroom Amazon purchases. I want to tell you guys thank you so much for all the amount of overwhelmingly kind comments that I got on my fully furnished apartment tour. The majority of items in my apartment is literally from Amazon, so I wanted to make sure I made this video to give you guys a detailed overview of each item that I purchased. All these items will be linked in the description box down below, as well as on my Amazon storefront. So if you ever want to reference back to that, they're in certain categories. So like I think it's apartment furniture and decor category. I know I have a bathroom category, kitchen category, just numerous categories of all the items that I purchased for my apartment on my Amazon storefront. So without further ado, let's jump right into these Amazon purchases. And make sure you guys stay tuned for part 2, because that will be covering all of my living room, kitchen, and office favorites. But starting off with my bedroom first, the first item of course is the bed. You guys, I knew I wanted this tall headboard bed frame. Like I said in my fully furnished apartment tour, the inspo for this particular bed was literally on Pinterest and it was spot on. This bed is actually under $1,000 and you could not beat it. It's perfect. I will say it definitely takes 2 people to put it together. My mom was here when I moved in, so we were able to put the bed together ourselves. Pretty easy to put together, not too bad, but I absolutely love this bed, and it really just makes my overall apartment theme come together with the whole neutral tone or theme. They do have other colors as well, but I love this bed. And also on this bed, the mattress is from Amazon. So what's really cool is this was like one of those mattresses in a box. It's a queen size mattress and it feels really good. Like I get good sleep on it. But this was a very affordable mattress, and I want to say this was a 14-inch if I'm not mistaken. The bed frame itself is already like, I want to say 4 to 5 inches up. So with this bed frame, I will say that you will need a bed frame to go in it. So this is like, it's a bed but you still need a bed frame, because I feel like the slacks that was built into it wasn't like the strongest for the mattress. So also metal bed frame is what I purchased for this whole bed ensemble. And with the mattress, I also purchased a mattress topper. I did this throughout college. I know most people do this, and this just makes your mattress feel like even softer. So if you're someone who really wants a firm feel, you can get that with the mattress, but also additionally with the mattress topper. If you're someone who wants memory foam, which my topper is memory foam, that's exactly what I got, and it feels really good at night when you go to bed. Next is my hardware pulls. Now first I want to just tell you guys that the nightstand and dresser is not from Amazon. It is from IKEA, which I'll also link below for you guys. So anything that's not from Amazon, I'll still link it if I can find it down below for you guys. This is actually not a technical nightstand, it's a 3-drawer dresser. And what I did was actually swap out all the hardware pulls on both dressers, and these are from Amazon. So it came in a pack, multiple pack of more than like 3. And you can get them in different sizes, different colors. In this case, I wanted to go with the gold hardware theme, so that's exactly what I got. And these fit perfectly. So if you're someone who's looking to swap out the hardware on any IKEA furniture, this is your go-to. I also did the same on my makeup desk too. The pulls are just a little bit shorter than like the pulls on my nightstand, but it still overall made the entire desk look very beautiful. And above my nightstand is the wall art. So I knew I wanted to go with something that was like textured looking, but also still pulling in that whole neutral theme. So I really like these wall arts because they came framed, and I really like that. So it was very simple to put together. I actually put all of my artwork up in my apartment with command strips. Since it is a rental, you know, I don't want to like damage the walls. But it was very lightweight enough for me to hang on the wall with command strips. And I want to say I used the 16-pound pack of like 8 command strips to put each one up, and I just have it over my makeup desk and my nightstand. But this came in a set of 2, which is also very affordable. That's another thing I like about Amazon purchases in general. When you're looking for things that are like in a set, you get a great deal for your buck, and that is what I did with these wall art. and my Bible. You guys, I told you in my apartment tour that I always keep a Bible on my nightstand. In this case, this Bible is the She Reads Truth Bible, and it came with a cover case for it, as well as the same texture as my bed frame, so it just matched the overall aesthetic with my bedroom. It also comes in different colors, patterns, and textures as well, so you don't just have to get this one. But also I have some gold Bible tabs that I decorated my Bible with that I'll also link in the description box down below that I got from Amazon. And also on my nightstand, the faux flower vase. These faux tulips are so pretty. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I do a lot of fashion content as well, TikTok and Instagram. And in the background, you can always see my whole ensemble on my nightstand. And I just feel like these flowers just really pull it together. When it becomes fall, I do change the flowers out to like a different flower vase. But this came with the tulips, the faux tulips itself, and the vase. So again, another cool set on Amazon that was very affordable. That looks so beautiful on my nightstand. Then moving on to my makeup desk. So the vanity light I absolutely love. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've always had a vanity light to do my makeup, especially in college. That one was a Bluetooth speaker vanity light, and I really love that. I wish this was too, but overall I love the look of this because it has that round Hollywood shape. So that's exactly why I went for this one. The light bulbs are perfect. None of them have blown on me. It is touchscreen. It has 3 different light settings. And also you can dim the light if you just hold the light button down. And I really like it. It's easy to clean, and it just looks gorgeous, and it pulls my entire like glam look together on my desk. And over to my reading area, I love this whole setup. The one thing that really pulls it together is the lamp. I love that the gold hardware matches my overall bedroom theme, and it has this beautiful tray on it. So if you want to have a glass of wine, some tea or coffee, literally the perfect size to set that down, especially a book. And it was really easy to put together as well. It does have a button for you to turn the light on, so it's not like clap censored, because a few of the lamps I was looking at was clap censored, but this one you do have to manually turn on. But I love it. It's very durable, and the light is very bright. And next to that is my chair, of course, and I love this chair. It actually comes with the ottoman, but I didn't want to use the ottoman at all because it was just like taking up too much space in the walkway to my chair. But it's a beautiful tufted chair, very easy to assemble as well, and it does come with a pillow. I just swapped it out to match my bedroom theme. And right next to my reading chair, I have my record player. You guys, I love this. I got really into vinyls because of my dad. He's always like teaching me and my brother like old school music. So I love going to record shops and just picking up vinyls. But this is actually a Bluetooth speaker suitcase looking record player, and I absolutely love it. It is so easy to move around since it does look like it's in a suitcase. It matched my overall theme beautifully. It does come in multiple colors. All you have to do is just plug it up to the wall wherever you're at. I haven't used the port to put like a microphone or headphones, and I haven't used it Bluetooth wise. I just simply use it with my vinyls, and I absolutely love it. It's the coolest addition to my bedroom because I do have like a basket right next to my reading chair with all of my like little vinyl collection. It's just so cute. It just feels like a blast from the past. Like it just has this like nostalgic feeling to have a record player in your room that also looks very modern and fits with your overall bedroom theme. And last but not least, the rug that's under my bed is not from Amazon. It is from Revival Rugs, but I'll also put that link down in the description box for you guys as well. Moving on to the closet, you guys, this is one of my favorite parts in the entire apartment. Matter of fact, the #1 reason I chose this apartment is because it had a walk-in closet. That was like a non-negotiable for me when I was looking for apartments, so it was the perfect size. I will say that this to me is not technically a luxury apartment, but I feel like I did a really good job enhancing certain features of this apartment. And what I mean by that is this closet doesn't necessarily have like nice shelf built-ins. It's just wire shelving, which is totally fine because I really just made the best out of it. So the first thing that I did with this closet is make sure that I had all black velvet hangers. This is so underrated when it comes to organizing your closet. I cannot stand multicolored hangers. Like, it's just so annoying to me. Like, honestly, I don't even like plastic hangers. If it's not velvet or wood, it's not coming in my closet. So I actually got a 100 pack of black velvet hangers. You can call it velvet or felt, but to me, like I said, it really pulls the whole overall closet together. And I actually kind of have my closet somewhat color coded a little bit, and it just looks so nice going wrapped around the closet. Next is my purse stands. If you guys have been following me for a while, I did like a little wardrobe wall before I moved into my solo apartment. And what I can tell you is these purse stands really come in handy if you're someone who collects really nice handbags. I love the fact that it gives like this department store display look. And it is adjustable, so you can adjust the height depending on the length of the purse. This is a really cool addition. I didn't like put all of them out. I only have a few out. I did have more than what I have currently in my closet, but some of my handbags are like way too big to put on those. So like if you have duffel bags or tote bags, it's not gonna hold that type of weight. So this is really mainly for just simple small toes or small handbags. If you're someone who also has wire shelving in your closet, but you want to utilize every ounce or every inch of space, getting some dividers is amazing, especially if you want to fold some of your bottoms like me. Since I have a wire shelf hanger, this is a wire divider. They do have acrylic dividers for people who have like the already built-in wood shelving. But if you have wires, this is for you. It comes in a pack, and it really is so easy to assemble. You just kind of like bend it and like pop them in. But I have like all of my winter sweaters, a few tops, and a few bottoms that are like folded underneath the clothes that are hanging. And it really just helps utilize all the vertical space that's in my closet. Now again, because this closet was not a true built-in custom shelf closet, I decided to go in and put additional shelving. So I just have a regular cube shelf and a regular like bookshelf that I got from Target, and I decided to put my fragrance stand and my jewelry box on top of that. So again, utilizing every space that I can in the closet. I love my perfume stands. If you're a perfume collector, this is amazing. I love the whole acrylic look of it. It's so pretty. And also my jewelry box is acrylic as well. It does a great job of organizing my necklaces. I am a gold hardware jewelry type of girl, so I always like to have those out on display. As well as my sunglass holder. I love that as well. Just gives a full organized look to the top layer of my shelving in my closet. Moving on to the bathroom. So I wanted to go for like a very simple minimalistic hotel look, and the overall theme was black and white. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you know in my bedroom when I was at home, I used these line art, and I thought the line art was like the perfect silhouette body shape to actually go in a bathroom, so it made sense. And that also came in a set. It did not come with the frame. These are just simply printouts. The frames I just got from Michael's, but I made sure it was also black framing as well to go along with the overall theme. And with the tub, I was so glad to have a tub. Some apartments don't have that, so I wanted to make sure it gave like this whole overall spa theme. So I could not have a bath tray. Now, I don't know about you guys, but this one is so cute. It's adjustable to the size of your tub. It comes with a mirror stand, a slot for you to have a glass of wine. It also comes with a slot to kind of like hold if you want to put electronics. Personally, I don't know how y'all do it, but I would never put no iPad in the tub with me. But yeah, it comes with that, and different little holders for like your soap, your scrubs, all that type of stuff. So I felt like this just made the entire tub look very spa-like. And in my shower, definitely still has the hotel spa thing going on. So the bathroom dispensers is amazing. Every time I go to really nice hotels, I love how they have like the dispensers on the wall. So that's exactly what I got. These bottles come with its own label, depending on what you want to put, whether you want to put the shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, whatever. It comes with multiple different labels. So I just have my body wash, shampoo, and conditioner in 3 dispensers. And they're really easy to put together. They have the option to whether you want to like manually drill it in, or you can use like the little glue putty that comes with it, and that's what I did. I'm gonna dread taking that off, but it's really sturdy. Like, it does not move, and it fills up all as much product that you would normally get like in a regular 12-ounce bottle. That's exactly how much it can fill up. I love it. It just makes the overall shower thing look very sleek. And then I have an acrylic stool. Now I feel like my shower isn't that big to honestly have it. It does feel like somewhat in the way sometimes. I only have it cornered for like display when I get out the shower, but when I'm in the shower I do kind of like turn it so I'll have like room in the shower. So if your shower is larger than mine, you would definitely like this, because I just love having like the bench, especially when you're, you know, doing your exfoliation. If you want to just sit with this small shower head for a little bit, that's why I like it. It is a little bit on the pricier side to be a shower stool. I originally wanted to go with a bamboo thing, but when I saw this acrylic one, I was like, Yep, this is the one. My shower head, I did change out from the standard shower head that came with the apartment. I usually do this all the time. I've done this at home, I've done this in college. And I wanted it to be a rainfall shower head, but also with this spa handle. And one thing I personally did living in Texas now, I feel like I kind of have like hard water. So this honestly is good for any apartment or even at home. Getting a shower filter, a filter for your shower head. I love this. I felt like I noticed a difference in my hair when I was shampooing it, and also on my skin. Before I had this, I felt like my skin was like really dry, and my hair was just really acting weird, especially like my curls were acting so funny. But as soon as I put this filter on, it literally changed everything. So definitely look into getting a filter for your shower head. And last but not least, the mat that I have on my tub is actually a bamboo themed mat that I have like on top of another mat. Like I have like white cloth mats, but the black bamboo mat I have over by my tub, and that's what I lay out whenever I take a bath, and it just matches with my bath tray, so that's why I got it. All right, you guys, so that concludes my favorite Amazon bedroom, closet, and bathroom purchases. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And again, make sure you guys check out my fully furnished apartment tour so you guys can get a better overview of my entire styles apartment. Make sure you also stay tuned for part 2, where I'll be discussing all of my favorite Amazon purchases for my living room, office nook, and the kitchen. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And again, everything I mentioned is itemized in the description box down below with every link attached, and also my Amazon storefront. But I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.